Hi guys, welcome back to Deadbolt. Confusing names, Dying Light, Deadlight, Deadbolt. I mean, everything starts with D. Anyway, back where we previously were, gonna talk to this talking fire again. The flames roar to life, and I see a vision inside. The fireplace begins to speak. Flesh caskets breathe, burn ash, scatter their teeth. See two entrances to the house. The left entrance has less zombies, but the right entrance has more weapons. My choice. New gun. See a vision of Sharon, the ferryman. He may be interested in the souls I've collected for our mutual employer. Just see him at the docks before my next mission. Docks, okay. I have 40 souls. Let's see what we're gonna buy. If we buy anything, that is. There we go. Normally helps on a mission, trust me. Done it a few times where the knife gets me through a part that I couldn't get through myself. Okay. Let's not take that way. Well, okay. And I'm shot my foot because I didn't open the door. If I can get this guy while he's going that way, I can get a knife and stab him. Oh man! Okay, I'll be smarter this time. Ha, smarter. Sort of. I can't get him! Why? Oh! I did get him, sort of. Okay, hopefully that guy's still on the toilet, because that's really fun blowing his head up. Yeah, English. Oh man. Oh damn. Whoa, what was that? Miss me! I got a better gun than you! Oh man, that guy's gonna come up. I should get going. Okay, I should take a knife. They always come in handy. Hey, those guys are dumb. They didn't see me. Why do you keep turning on the light? Okay, gonna get the last knife. Oh god, come on, I can do it. Actually, if I can get the guy with the shotgun to come down without that guy coming down, then I can I can take his shotgun by shooting him. Hey, they didn't come. Oh, I hate that. The auto reload just like sometimes gets to me. I think that's all of them. Why are there 2 light switches in that room? Boom! We finished the level! Yes! Okay, should we do one more? One more, we can do one more. Nah, actually, okay, I'm gonna leave this video short. Thanks for watching. See you next time, guys.